Working with 3D animation in LightWave 3D and dealing with LS scene files, these are scene description files containing 3D environment data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and use these LightWave scene files for 3D animation projects. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading LS file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A user with an LS file is typically a 3D artist or animator working with a scene created in NewTek's LightWave 3D. They are trying to open this project file to continue editing, render the final image or animation, or export the scene's assets for use in another application. The LS format is a text-based file that describes a 3D scene. It was designed to be human-readable and easily editable, storing references to object files, LWO, along with their positions, lighting information, camera settings, and animation data. This separation of scene and object data allows for modular workflows. LightWave 3D from NewTek offers a certified solution for the LS file type. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows can show only the basics, so full technical review relies on proper 3D visualization apps. To unlock this specific file type, right-click your LS file and select Open With. If LightWave 3D is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. We are looking for the software that recognizes the header. If you still cannot open your LS file, that is okay. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your LS file is generating this error. First, opening in LightWave 3D. Launch LightWave 3D and use File then Load Scene to open the LS file. The application loads all referenced object files, lights, and cameras, reconstructing the complete scene in the layout interface. Verify all dependencies, including object files and image textures, are present in expected paths to avoid missing asset warnings. Next, inspecting in Text Editor. Since LS files are ASCII text, open them in Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or any text editor to examine scene structure. The readable format reveals object references, coordinates, and parameter values, useful for batch editing, scripting modifications, or troubleshooting scene loading issues without launching LightWave. Finally, converting to other formats. Use LightWave 3D to export scenes to interchange formats like FBX, OBJ, or Alembic for use in other applications such as Maya 3ds, Max Blender, or Cinema 4D. File then Export presents format options. The conversion preserves geometry materials and animation, but may require adjustment of rendering parameters in the target application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.